Let me show you a super easy waffle recipe for a waffle maker that always turns out fluffy in the middle with lightly crispy edges. I also added little pieces of apples, which give the waffles a soft, juicy bite and make them taste even better. First, add 120 grams of unsalted, room temperature butter to the mixing bowl. Then, add 130 grams of granulated sugar. Using an electric mixer, beat them together for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture looks lighter in color and becomes smooth and creamy, as you can see in the video here. While I'm mixing this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Next, add 2 large eggs and mix them into the butter and sugar until everything is fully combined. The mixture may look a little separated at first, but keep mixing until it starts to come back together and looks smoother, as you can see here. Next, add 240 milliliters of room temperature milk and mix until it is fully worked into the batter and everything looks smooth again. This is quite a generous batch of waffle batter too. You should have enough to make about 3 to 4 large waffles. Next, add 260 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until the dry ingredients are fully worked in and the batter looks smooth, with no dry flour left around the sides or bottom of the bowl. Next, add 2 medium apples that I have peeled, cored, and cut into small cubes. Then gently fold the apples into the batter, making sure the pieces are mixed all the way through so you get plenty of soft, juicy apple in every waffle. Now, spoon about 5 tablespoons of batter into the hot waffle iron, close the lid, and cook the waffle until the outside looks golden and the edges feel lightly crisp. Once the steam has mostly slowed down and the waffle lifts out easily without sticking, it is ready. This is such an easy waffle recipe for a waffle maker, and the apples give the waffles a lovely, soft, juicy bite. Next time, I think I would add a little cinnamon too, because it would go so well with the apples. If you liked this easy waffle recipe, then you should also try these naturally sweet lentil waffles. They are also super easy to make, crispy, cozy, and packed with protein, with no flour or protein powder needed.